Welcome to the Little Pallet Farmhouse. This is our home. We are homesteaders. 2 years later, is homesteading worth it? In 2019, we sold everything, shipped our family, our belongings, and our horse, bought a fixer-upper situated on 20 acres of raw woodland in the Midwest, and this is our journey of our family working to build our farm and our home and a life we don't need a vacation from.
Homesteading is a lot of work. It's a lot of work. When you have to have a full-time job or 2 full-time jobs, and then you're still doing all the other extra bits of animal rearing and gardening, you're gonna plan on a very long day. There's gonna be dark days, there's gonna be hard days. We wanted to have a shower here?
No.
Going back to your why is why I'm doing this is gonna sustain you there and how you're gonna succeed.
Our goal is to become more self-reliant, to live a healthier life, to grow food, to live more simply, to spend more time together as a family, to enjoy more time outdoors in nature, to live more purposefully and enjoy the rewards of production by our own efforts rather than just the consumption of someone else's. Ultimately, for us, it's about the freedom to live a better life through means that we control.
Yes, that's worth it.
We hope you'll subscribe and join us on our journey. We're working to bring you weekly video logs of our farm and home life. We have a sawmill to run, a woodland to cultivate, animals to raise, and horses to help us. Perhaps it will inspire you to start your own homestead, or if not, you can enjoy watching ours from your living room.
I give you one job to do, you have one job. Got some fixing to do. Yay.